Okay, Brett, here is how to add implied volatility to the watch list that I made. So over here is the watch list module that I'm going to use for it. So I'm going to click the watch list. Uh, when you create a personal watch list like that, it goes in personal and then you select it. This is the IVP over 50 and the price of the stock's over 100. It's the list I made and sent you. So I'll click that. Oop, missed it. I'll click that, and there's the list. And then again, I have it ranked by IV percentile. Well, you wanted to put implied volatility in there instead of just implied volatility percentile. So the way you do that is you click that little tiny gear there. You're going to hit Customize. And you sort alphabetically through here. They call it IMPL vol, right? So you can go alphabetically or you can just type. In this case, we're going to type. It's going to be IMPL, and there it is right there. IMPVOL, we're going to add that as an item. We're going to hit OK. And now you can see there's a new column. Drag that, make a little bit of room. So now, in addition to everything that I had in there, it also now has the implied volatility. So now you've got last bid, ask, IV percentile, and implied volatility. You can sort them any which way you want just by clicking the top. So if I click that, sorted by implied volatility, lowest to largest, click it again, goes largest to lowest. Do it by percentile, I can do it by the ask price, I can do it by alphabetically, by the name of the company, by the symbol, and I think you wanted to do it by implied volatility. So the stock that has the highest IV is NVIDIA. There you go. Before I let you go, I did want to show you what the futures trader screen looked like. It's pretty cool. You can have in-depth views on like any underlying or security that you really wanted to see. Each of these is its own module. You can make it a chart, or you can make it a buy-sell thing, right? So let's say that over here where I'm doing the Mexican peso, let's say that you wanted to have that one be Netflix. So there's your real-time bid ask. And then you would make this one down here that I have set up as a chart. You make that be Netflix. So you could see a Netflix chart for whatever time frame you wanted, and you could zoom in or out, just like you can on the other charts. But if there were some securities that you were trading back and forth a lot, if you had, one of these boxes set up as the security and then the other as a chart for the security, you can get a lot of information really quick. You can make this as many or as few of these modules as you want. You click that up here. So say I only want 4. Now I've only got 4, right? Say that I want that many of them, and I get a whole bunch of them. It's kind of useless. I personally liked 16, I think is how I like to have it set up. Yeah, it looks like I lost some of my stuff, so I'm going to have to play around to get that back. But you get the idea? Oh, one more thing I'll add. Each watch list you have over here, any changes you make in columns are only going to work in that particular module, right? So changing to the columns is not going to change it for this watch list. It's only going to change it for this module. What I mean by that is, here's a different watch list module I have set up for currencies. Even if I pull this IVP watch list down into here, only these columns are going to be displayed. Go to personal, IVP. So see, I'm pulling up the same list, but it's giving me different information now. You use the modules, the little boxes, to choose what columns you want displayed on your list. So I added implied volatility there. It didn't come down over here, even though I'm looking at the same list. That's an important distinction, so don't get frustrated if you make a change and then it looks like it's gone, right? Pick the module you're going to use for that list and stick to it, and you should be good. All right, man. Talk to you soon. Good luck.